Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up Google Analytics on your WordPress website. So let's get started. First write Google Analytics, and here you can click Start Measuring. Enter your account name, it can be anything. I will do tutorial Arnas. And then you can select some sharing settings, what you want to do with your account and so on. So I will leave the default ones. I will click next. Property name, it's the name of your website basically. So I will just enter this. The time zone, you can choose the time zone. The currency, I will probably choose euro. And you have some advanced settings, but in this case we don't need it. I will click next. Then you can select some extra options about your business. So I will just pick something random. Small. This. So just choose some options that you're interested in and click create. Then accept. Then you can select some email communication. It depends on your personal preference. So I will untick all and save. Anyway, okay. And now the important part. Let's connect Google Analytics with your WordPress website. So we choose web. We need to enter the link to our site without the HTTPS, like this. Stream name, so just my website, so just enter your website name, and then you can choose some extra settings. Just leave everything on unless you don't need it. I will create and just click create stream. Here you go. Now the next step is to connect it. I will show you all three ways. There are more, of course. I will show you first how to connect Google Analytics without the plugin. So just click here, global site tag gtag.js, and here you get a script. Just copy it and go to your VP admin dashboard, click appearance, theme file editor, and search for header.php, theme header. Open that and find the closing tag of the head. For easy, if you're using very bloated theme, so just do Ctrl F and just write head, maybe closing head, and it will get highlighted. And just before that, enter that code, just paste it in like this, and just click save or update file. Okay, and now we can test it if it works or not. So just do hard refresh with Shift F5, and after doing so, right click view page source, and you can see that GTag is successfully installed and connected. You can also see right click inspect element, go to the source and see Google Tag Manager GTag. Make sure you don't have ad block or something else that could block the analytics tag. Also make sure that if you're using Elementor, if you click edit with Elementor, that settings, page layout theme, not Elementor canvas or something else, because otherwise the Google Analytics tag won't work. In that case you will need to use a plugin. So like this, that was the first way. The second way would be to use a plugin and write with this site global tag, and this is the plugin that you need, VP global site tag. Install now, activate, and then we can go to settings and VP global site tag, and here we need to enter the measurement ID, this one. So just click copy, enter, and save settings. That's it. You don't need to do anything more. Also, if you inserted the tag already here, so just delete it. Don't need to insert it 2 times. 1 time is enough. Okay, and it will also work. G-tag is installed. If you are using Elementor Pro, you can also use Elementor. So I'm going to deactivate this plugin. If you're using Elementor Pro, you can also enter custom code in here and just click add new custom code. Write Google Analytics and choose the head tag, and again enter this code here, publish, choose entire site. You can also exclude some pages if you don't want to show, for example in tags. If you don't want that Google Analytics track your tags, so just disable it like this. It's also very convenient and nice thing to have, and it will also work the same way. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and goodbye.